Okay guys, Justin here with SSC Garage. We got another hot challenge going on. Got my buddy Ronnie here with us. We're gonna attempt this tube of terror here. You see, says no food or drink. Got 10 minutes to finish the tube by eating 1 to 2 peanuts at a time. You have to wait 5 minutes after the final peanut to complete the challenge before you can have anything to drink. And not only did, that's the only warning, but it came with a whole list of warnings here. So says by purchasing or gifting or consuming the Johnny Scoville tube of terror, referred hereafter as the product, you will refer hereafter as the participant. Understand, acknowledge, and accept the participation in and or consuming the product involves a risk of personal injury, and participant is fully aware of all risks involved. Participant acknowledges he or she is voluntarily participating in and or consuming the product, and hereby voluntarily assumes all risks of loss, damage, injury, illness, or death that may be sustained as a result of participation and in or consuming of this product. Okay, I'm not going to read all of it, but pretty much we can't sue them. We can't do nothing. We're in trouble if we get hurt. So, we're going to see if we can't do this thing.
Your taste bud's going to get beat up. Somebody getting hurt, bro.
Yeah.
This sucks.
So, let's see here. We got our phone on us. Got 10 minutes to complete this.
An actual timer, because I ain't getting cheated and having no extra seconds on this.
Yeah, so.
What, 10 minutes you said?
Yeah.
Man, that's a long 10 minutes, bro.
All right.
Man, hey, my sniffer don't work, but I'm telling you. Them dudes is hot.
1 to 2 peanuts at a time. Are we ready?
I can breathe, I know that. My goodness.
You do 1 or 2 peanuts at a time is what it says. You gotta chew them and swallow them.
Oh my God. You might as well do 2 to get it done faster.
That's a big peanut, bro.
Well, whatever. I gotta eat all of them.
Okay. And guys, I mean, you can see this tube is full. So, 10 minutes to eat this. Let's see if we can do it. You ready?
You've been trying to get me for 2 months to do this, and now I'm doing it.
All right. Go. Mm-hmm. That's hot. Yes, sir.
Woo. They're hotter as soon as you swallow them.
Mm-hmm. Hurts the back of your throat. Can you do it?
Them dudes are hot.
Ooh. 45 seconds in, guys. Oh, I don't know if we're gonna do this one. Woo. That's 4 peanuts. Oh my.
That's not how this thing I've eaten before. The bad thing is, man, like, once your tongue gets saturated in it, that's when it got hot.
If you guys want to see more of these challenges, hit like and subscribe.
Ooh.
Comment down below. We'll see if we're going to finish this. I don't know. This is bad.
Pretty hot.
Mm-hmm. You all right, brother?
It's hot.
It's hot.
A lot of peanuts, bro.
You crying?
My eyes are watering.
We're going to need a towel here. 1:45.
What about a spit bucket? You gonna have a spit bucket? Nope. Oh my God.
Oh my. Oh my. These guys are bad to the bone, dude. Oh. These are worse than the death nuts.
Don't breathe in your mouth hard, bro.
I don't know if I'm going to finish this one, brother.
For real?
Whew.
I'm going to tell you right now. I would not blame you, bro. I don't even want to eat no more of them, dude.
Whew.
Hey. This is hotter than all them other ones?
Way hotter. Ooh.
Oh my God.
Oh, my. Yeah, I don't know.
I ain't doing it. There ain't no way. I am sorry, dude. I ain't no punk. My heart beating. I think I would have been alright if I would have worked myself up with them other ones.
Yeah, guys, this one beat me.
Yeah, I'm beat right out. I'll do the other ones.
Oh.
I'll do the other ones with you. That's too much.
I'm out the gate beat, guys. Ooh.
I'm not doing it. I ate 8 peanuts.
Whew.
Or 6.
I ate 8 of them. Oh.
Oh my God. Yeah.
It's getting bad. Oh.
I'll still do the 10 minutes though. I'll still do the 10-minute timer.
Oh, there ain't no way.
There ain't no way. We don't quit.
Ooh. Oh, guys.
They got 8 peanuts in and quit.
There's no way.
They're ridiculous.
Oh.
Oh my God. Yeah, I think if you did, that's why they wrote that.
Yeah.
You eat that whole thing.
There ain't no way. Mm-mm. Oh. Woo.
Sorry, man.
That is hot. Mm-mm-mm. There ain't no way. I give up. Mm-mm.
I mean, well, what you could do is just get some people to try it.
Yeah,
Just get the
we're gonna get
reactions,
some
maybe
reactions of people trying these. Woo.
Maybe just get some reactions on people, like you said, and Corey would probably do that. That's hot. I ain't never had nothing that hot.
Ooh, me neither. Mm-mm.
Never in my life.
Guys. Mm-mm.
And I just licked powder off of my lip. Oh, that was hot.
Oh. Mm-mm. Oh. That's why they say if you're gonna die. Oh, because you will die, you eat that.
When did this timer start?
When we started eating. That's how long we had to eat them. 10 minutes.
Well, you should have started it over like 2 minutes ago. For us to wait our 10 minutes out to get something to drink.
5 minutes. You gotta wait 5 minutes. But there ain't no way. Mm-mm.
I can handle the heat now, but when that first happened, no, I'm not doing no more of them. I know that.
I had more than you, man. They're still burning my shit up. Woo!
It's cheating, man.
I don't know. I quit, bro. Like, no way. Mm-mm. If any one of you guys want to try these or think you can beat this,
Take your tongue around the tip of your roof of your mouth.
woo, comment down below. Let's see if you guys got it. Woo! Because I sure don't. Whoa.
Whew. Yeah, I can tell you one thing though. I ain't eating no more of them dudes ever. And you gotta make sure the next time I do, I will eat the other ones.
You will?
I will. But I'm not eating.
Well, you guys heard it. He said he'd do the Death Nut Challenge. Let's see if he'll do it.
I think I'll be alright with them other ones, but I don't know, man. Like as soon as your tongue gets saturated,
Ooh, that's the way the other ones were.
because I ate a couple peanuts and the powder's just kind of sitting on them. It's not actually activated by your saliva or something. But as soon as your tongue gets real wet, it's over for you. It is over for you.
Wee.
I'm alright now.
You sure?
Yeah, no, I'm fine now. But
That's still
I think the
burning me.
only thing that would help me with that is that cheese on them conies.
Woo!
On them Gold Stars.
I don't know.
Those got a little kick to them, but I mean, that's the hottest thing I eat. But I wouldn't want no cheese like that on my 3-way.
That stuff's hot, guys.
Still dry as a bone up there.
Not me.
Why don't you guys try them?
All right, guys.
Well-
Like and subscribe. See if you guys want to do this challenge. Comment down below. We'll see if you guys got it.